15.
That's your phone number.
15.
What's your address?
15. Just let me jump in.
All right.
Okay, now this is my final trick. Mommy, I always liked it, but not jump me in.
No, he's gonna jump over there. Go ahead.
And that's for you, and the rest is cooler than that. I want to see, Mommy.
Here's Katie and her float.
This is the one that's called...
Come on, Carter. Get off the wall and swim.
Stick Eater.
Get off the wall.
Watch it.
Carter,
Katie.
get off the wall and swim.
Katie. Now, this is my final...
Honey, that's a belly flop. Okay, you all right?
Yeah.
Get off. Go ahead. There you go. Just slide off. There you go.
Let me get my glasses back on.
Okay.
And I'll do one.
Honey, you don't know how to dive yet. Don't dive. You just jump in feet first, okay? We haven't got to the diving part yet. You just jump in feet first. Don't try to go head first, please. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Now,
Go swimming.
nobody wants to call this rapper. And call this get that rapper way. Carter! Well, this one is just the polar bear jump. The polar bear stick 80. We're counting 81, 82, 80, 20. I count and then I jump.
80-20, what's that?
80. What happened? That's I want to see, Mommy. Okay.
You ready to watch Kyle jump?
This is how my pogo stick goes. This is how my pogo stick goes. And this is
Very good.
And this is cut. Cut. Now this is the Lion of Terror. I call this the Lion of Terror.
The Lion of Terror.
Terror. I want my jumping.
Hold on, Katie.
I want to see me. I want to see Mommy. I want to see Kyle.
Well, okay.
I'm sorry, this one's the Eaglesaurus. It's hot. That was the Eaglesaurus. This is this.
That was the Eaglesaurus, okay. Go ahead.
This is the Wildosaurus. What call this the seals? Let me see. The Tigersaurus. You know what? Let's see. Let me see. How can we jump? Oh, that was a music box.
You get in the water first, and then you jump off the stairs in the water.
I can Katie.
Get on the second step, and then you jump. There you go. Okay, don't get the camera wet. Ready, go. Jump, Katie.
Jump.
Go show her how to jump, Carter.
Katie, go this side.
There you go. Just like that.
Just like that.
Jump. You gotta jump. You're not jumping. Go. Go show her how to jump, Carter. You know how to jump.
Get me in.
You do it.
Huh?
You jump in all the time.
This one's called the Pterosaurus, Mom.
The Pterosaurus? Okay. Okay, show me how you swim. Wait, catch your breath first. Make sure you catch your breath. Okay, now put your head in the water and swim. Breathe. How about the backstroke?
I'm going to do that. This one's called the Betty Titanic. I want to see Mommy. Let me see, Mom.
Okay, I think you need to take a break.
Okay.
Catch your breath. Carter, get your finger on there.
Let me see. Ricardo.
Okay, take a breath. Honey, it's recording. Take a deep breath.
I'm going in a baby pool.
No, we're not going in a baby pool.
Now, Grandma, this one's called the Adiosaurus. This one's called
He doesn't want to stop.
Howlosaurus. Okay? The old dinosaurs. Ah!
Jump, Carter, jump. No, I really would like you to stay over here.
But what? What's this one? You're gonna miss this one. Yeah!
Kyle. You alright?
Yeah. That one was called the Pterosaurus. Now this one's called
Carter, get off the wall and go swim.
the Dino.
I'm going to pull you off.
Kelly, I thought you were getting the camera.
Oh.